Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Herani. Today I would like to present a mathematics topic called short. First, let's talk about roots. The root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself, gives the original number. The root of some number produces rational answer, which means the answers can be written as fraction or whole numbers. For example, the square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 equals 4. The square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. These are examples of roots that give rational answer. However, not all roots give rational answer. If a root cannot be written as rational number, it is called a short. Short are irrational numbers, which means their decimal form does not end, does not repeat. For example, the square root of 2, the square root of 3, and the square root of 5. If the answer to a question is short, we leave it in exam form. Using a calculator gives only an approximation. Next, simplification of short. A short is in basic form if it cannot be simplified in any factor. For example, the square root of 17 and the square root
of 43 because 17 and 43 are prime number.
This means they have no square factor other than 1. However, some square roots can be simplified. To simplify a root, we write the number as a product root, where one factor is a perfect square. For example, square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 times 3. Then, square root of 5 becomes 2, so the result is 2 square root of 3. Next, rules of short. The first rule is square root of a times the square root of a equals a. This is because the square root and the square cancel each other. For example, square root of 3 times square root of 3 equals 3. This is because 3 times 3 is 9 and the square root of 9 is 3. The second rule say that the square root of a times the square root of b equals the square root of a times b. This rule is used when we multiply two differentials. For example, square root of 3 times square root of 5 equals square root of 15. We do not simplify it further because 15 is not a perfect square. The third rule is for division. The square root of a divided by the square root of b is equal to the square root of a over b. For example, square root of a divided by square root of 2 equals square root of a over 2. This becomes square root of 4, which is 2. The fourth rule shows how to multiply a number with short. When we multiply a times square root of b with square root of c, we keep the number a outside the root. Then we multiply b and c inside the square root. For example, the square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 9 equals 3 square root of 30. The last rule is very important. We cannot add short by adding the numbers inside the square root. Square root of a plus square root of b is not equal to the square root of a plus b. For example, square root of 4 plus square root of 9 is not equal to square root of 13. This is because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So the result is 2 plus 3 equals 5, not square root of 13. Next, adding short. To add short, they must be the same type of short. Example, square root of 3 plus square root of 12. Square root of 12 equals square root of 5 times 3 equals 2 square root of 3. So, square root of 3 plus square root of 12 equals to square root of 3. For expanding chart, we multiply its term carefully. For example, when multiplying two brackets that contain chart, we multiply each term inside the first bracket with each term inside the second bracket. This is similar to algebra expansion. After multiplying, we simplify the result if possible. Next, rationalizing the denominator. A fraction that has a chart in the denominator is usually rationalized. This means we remove the chart from the denominator. For example, if the denominator contains square root of 2, we multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of 2. This helps make the denominator a rational number. Rationalizing. Next, the expression is to work with and more standard in mathematics. When the denominator has two terms, we use something called the conjugate. The conjugate is formed by changing the sign between the two terms. For example, the conjugate of A plus square root of B is the minus square root of B. We multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. This removes the short from the denominator and gives a rational denominator. The last, to conclude share as irrational root, we should leave answer in exact form that can be simplified using factorization. We use specific rules to add, multiply, and divide share. Finally, we rationalize the denominator to remove share from the denominator. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.